Easy Bircher Muesli recipe. Can't believe I've not actually recorded this one before now. Anyway, you're going to need 50 grams of porridge oats or rolled oats, 125 millilitres of fresh apple juice and 75 grams of Greek yoghurt. Also 1 eating apple that has been grated and the juice of half a lemon. Then in with 1 tablespoon of honey, along with 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and 2 tablespoons of ground flax, that's optional, along with 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I mix that all round. Then you need to decant it into whatever you've got, so you could use even like leftover jam jars. Just pop it in and then you can leave them overnight or at least 2 hours. Then when I want to eat them, I can add all sorts of things, extra Greek yogurt, some of my homemade granola, I'll put the link on, it's too good to leave out, and some fresh fruit. It's delicious. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.